Welcome. If you want to make your Telegram chats more fun and expressive, turning on animated emoji suggestions is a simple upgrade you don't want to miss. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to enable this feature step by step. First, go ahead and open the Telegram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings without any issues. Once you're in, look at the top corner of the screen and tap the menu icon, the three horizontal lines. This will open up Telegram's main menu where you'll find several options. Next, tap on Settings. This is where you can customize how Telegram looks and behaves. Inside Settings, find and tap on Chat Settings. This section controls everything related to your messaging experience from themes to stickers. Now, scroll down until you see Stickers and Emoji, then tap on it. This is where Telegram keeps all the options related to emojis, reactions, and sticker behavior. After that, tap on Emoji. You'll now see a few options that control how emojis work in your chats. Look for the option called Suggest Animated Emoji. When you find it, simply toggle it on. Once it's enabled, Telegram will automatically suggest animated versions of emojis as you type, making your conversations more lively and interactive. And that's it. You've successfully turned on animated emoji suggestions. Now when you chat, you'll notice Telegram offering fun animated emojis that match what you're typing. If you enjoyed this quick tutorial, make sure to stick around for more helpful tips and updates.